Looking for the best blender for your kitchen? Today we're counting down the top 5 Amazon blenders, from budget picks to premium machines. You'll find links to all featured blenders in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. The Consciot CB08 Personal Blender. Looking for a compact blender that can do more than just smoothies? This 11-piece blender is designed for busy lifestyles. It easily blends smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, and even baby food in seconds. The powerful blades can handle ice and frozen fruit with ease, while the included portable cups let you take your drinks anywhere. And the best part? It costs under $35, making it an excellent value for everyday use. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or making breakfast at home, this blender is built for convenience and speed. Number 2. The Ninja Professional Blender 2.0. Need more power? This blender comes with a powerful 1,200-watt motor and Ninja's famous total crushing technology. It easily crushes ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients for smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces. The large 72-ounce pitcher makes it perfect for families or meal prep. It also features Auto IQ programs, so you can create perfect blends with just one touch. And considering everything it offers, it costs under $115, making it one of the best value full-size blenders on Amazon. Number 3. The Colarlemo 1,800-watt high-speed blender. If power is what you're after, this blender delivers with an impressive 1,800 watts and speeds up to 30,000 revolutions per minute. It easily handles ice, frozen fruit, nuts, and tough ingredients for ultra-smooth results. The large 68-ounce pitcher makes it perfect for families, meal prep, and entertaining guests. With adjustable speed controls, you get full control over every blend. And at under $140, it offers serious power without the premium price tag. Number 4. The H-Duka 1,800-watt high-speed blender. This blender is built for serious blending with a powerful 1,800-watt motor and speeds up to 28,000 revolutions per minute. It easily crushes ice, frozen fruits, and even handles nut butter with ease. The large 70-ounce pitcher is perfect for families, while the included 20-ounce grinder adds extra versatility. Multiple speed settings and a built-in timer give you complete control over every recipe. And thanks to today's discount, you can get this premium blender for under $235. Number 5. The Vitamix Propel Series 510. If you want professional-grade performance, this is the blender to beat. Its powerful motor and stainless steel blades can handle everything from smoothies and soups to nut butter and frozen desserts. 3 blending programs make it incredibly easy to use, while the self-cleaning function saves time after every use. Built to deliver restaurant-quality results, this is the kind of blender serious home chefs invest in. And while premium performance usually comes at a premium price, this model is available for under $520. And that's our list of the top 5 blenders on Amazon. Which one would you choose for your kitchen? You'll find links to all featured blenders in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon finds and kitchen gadgets every week.